Hey guys, how y'all doing? You're welcome back to another video. I'm going to be taking you round. I'm going to be taking you around my apartment. This is not my permanent place, okay? It was given to me for 30 days till I find my own place. Okay, so let's be guided. I didn't pay for it. It was sponsored. Repeat that after me. Sponsored. If you want to know my sponsor, come, let me tell you, come. And one thing you should know, it is fully furnished, meaning everything that you can think of were provided, okay? Mostly everything that you need to survive, except if you enter and you turn around, this is how it looks like. Disclaimer, there is a box of trash here. It was from the chair and desk, so I need to find a way to dispose it. I just like broke it down into these little pieces, and then I'll find how to dispose it. When you come inside, it's like this, okay? Like this. Yeah, this is, let's just stand like this, okay? So do we start from right or left? Let's start from right, okay? If you open this is your guest bathroom. This is it. Hey, are you feeling my shirt? By now, a vlog should have gone up explaining how I got this fancy top, okay? If you know how I got it, let me know in the comment section, because you are the real G. You are the real G. So this is the hemo, you know. Aladi, what's wrong with you today? Anyway, so yeah, this is, there's no bathtub, but this is where you bath, you go shower for here. Toilet. And let me hope you're getting a good view. Washer and dryer stacked on each other, and cleaning stuff. I got that, obviously. Now me buy this one, but this came with the apartment, these towels and stuff. Have you guys gotten a good look? Let me give you from this angle. This is it. Drawers. I don't use this one because I use the one in the master bedroom. Let's go to the next place. Let's off the lights. We are done. So now let's come back to the spot. On our left, this is a room, a bedroom. I call it gaze room because I'm the only one here. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. So there's a blanket up there, wardrobe, and bed. Look at this gorgeous mirror. It's so gorgeous. It's beautiful. And this is the window. Where's this lamp and the rest? So this is really cool. Have you gotten a good picture of it? Let me show you from the other angle. Let me give you angles. High angle. And save energy. Now we are in the living room / working space / kitchen, everything. Let's start from the left side. Some painting on the wall, and the other side, I don't know. And you know, sitting room stuff. So when I came to this apartment, there was no table, there was no desk and chair. So I told them that I would need a desk and chair, and they were kind enough to order one for me. The desk came in yesterday, computer desk, and this one came in last week, so I put them together by myself. So those cartons that you saw at the doorpost were, you know, what I unboxed this stuff from. I can walk here, my research, have it going on here and all that, my school bag, and this is my camera bag, and also kind of filming stuff here. And you know, the chair is so nice. So I was the one that found that position for it. I put it there because I don't want to feel like I'm stuck. I can see outside, and this door, you can actually open it. You can open this. If you open this curtain, this door, you can open, but why do I have to open it? But this place, I kind of see outside what's going on, you know. And Let's go to the other side. Well, there's a TV. I guess you saw that already. So this plant here, and that's the pantry. Is it pantry or pantry? This is a mirror in the kitchen. Ha! If I have my own apartment, I think I want to put a mirror there because it's so beautiful. When you cook small, you look at yourself. When you cook small, you look at yourself. And here is the pantry. The trash cans were here, so why not? They are still there. But I met it like this in the house, so I put my trash. The other one is recycle. This one is normal trash. And the kitchen sink. Remember that our blender that we bought that day? This is it. And then some breakfast, coffee, some cooking stuff, cooking space, drawers, my food stove. Food stove. So this ones came with the apartment, these storage bowls and all. Well, have you guys gotten a good view of the kitchen? Before we start touring it, let me give you a good view of the kitchen, what it looks like. So this is like a good view. So let's just look at other things. There's an island, which is really cool. And I have this muffin. Come and eat muffin. Like I said, this is fully furnished. So it came with pots and pans. You don't need to come with your pot. And then if you want to make muffin for yourself, I don't know, is that a rice cooker or pressure cooker? I don't even know what's that. And mixer, whatnot. I'm already tired. Man has not really eaten today. Cutlery, it came with it. You don't need to get that for yourself. Okay, I think this place is pretty much empty. And here's some measuring cup and all those cooking stuff, cooking oil for me. And here, some cooking stuff again. This one, my blender carton and whatever. Microwave, deco, fridge. It did not come with the things in the fridge, oh. Let's be guided. It's me that put them there. Okay, cooking stove. It did not come with these things. Now me put on there. Get it? Let me give you angle from this side. High angle. Do you see this angle? So cute. And see me again. Very cute girl. Very cute. Let's go into the master bedroom. The place we all have been waiting for. Don't be disappointed. So this is where I have been crashing, occupying. I like to let the windows down in the daytime. Pretty much what you need in your bedroom. Bed. And I like this stuff. Climb. Can't step on it to climb your bed. Maybe that's not what it's meant. Have you gotten a good view, guys? You get the view. I don't know if you guys got it very well, but yeah, I'll take you around. I'm a very kind girl, so I'll take you around. Yep. So have I even been showing you guys? I don't understand the view I've been giving you. Let's off the lights, save energy. Let me go and off the kitchen on to Shebi. We are finished. This one's too. Sorry guys, I have to do this because I need to save energy. Yeah, I'll leave only this one on. Okay, I should turn off the other one too, so we don't waste. Yeah, this is enough because I'm walking there. And this one too, I have to turn off. We have to turn it off together, even though we did not turn it on together, but I did it for this video, so turn it off. And now we are in the master washroom, restroom. Me again. Basic stuff, and more towels in the walk-in closet, blankets. Whew. So yeah, I did not really bring out my stuff from my box because I know I'll be moving out in the next how many days. bathtub, basic towels. The apartment came with the towels. That's the apartment. I don't know, do you guys want to see one more time? But this is the view. This is it. This is just it. And then, yeah, we're pretty much done. What's your favorite place in this apartment? Which of the rooms do you like best? Or the paintings, anything? I think there's a candle, a huge one. I don't have a light. I would have turned it on. What else do we need to see again? We're pretty much done. Guys, let me know. Do you like this video? Do you like the apartment? Do you like your host? We are done for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.